Material: oil pastels. Background needs to be thick. Use spatula to create some texture. When adding another layer of color, be more gentle. Fingers blending magic. Before adding more layers, make sure you've knead the oil pastels into soft creamy texture. Calligraphy pen. There are no identical leaves in the world. The petals are cross-overlapped. The shading makes the rose vivid. Here I want to give the clouds a bit more texture. I sculpted the moon just like clay. Press it on gently. At the end I added with some highlights. Peeling off the artist tape is always my favorite part. I hope you enjoy this video and see you soon.